Well, here I sit on the side of the road. Well, I'm off the road. I'm in an empty parking lot. I was helping a friend cut their grass. My zero turn is too big to fit on my small trailer, so I borrowed a trailer. It's no big deal. Checked the tires even before we left, and good pressure. As luck would have it, here I sit. Now, my wife was fortunate enough to be with me, so took the tire off, threw it in the back of the truck, and off she goes to get a tire, which the tire place is only 3 blocks away. Used tire is about 40 bucks. You could look at it and say, well, that's what you get for helping somebody. Yeah, I guess you could. But it's still okay to help people. It's a nice day. It's a little warm, but it's all right. Sitting here smoking a good cigar while I'm waiting. Anyway, just wanted to let you know that it's okay to help people, even though it might hurt a little bit. Take care of you people. There we go, all done. No harm, no foul. The sad thing is I sat on my cigar and broke it. Anyway, guys, keep learning, keep testing, keep building a more self-reliant life. Keep helping people.